Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for it from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And a couple updates for y'all today. One of them is about Jada Kingdom. You see, Jada Kingdom has no respect for her fans, and she's taking her career as a joke. And she flopped in Connecticut, yes. And I'm going to talk about her latest behavior that she said. Yeah, she took to her Instagram page to basically read this people again orally. Yes, basically she said, "Not worry about our people." Jah know. Also, people, Alkaline's baby mother. We all know who is that. If you've been following this channel, well, people, this is the news that I wanted to break to you like a week ago, but I couldn't get no more information from my source, so I'm just gonna break the story right now. Jah Cure Breed Alkaline's baby mother, people. Yes. From what day I may tell you about two dancehall artists breeding the same baby mother. Well, it's these two dancehall artists. Dancehall artist Alkaline and Jah Cure breeds the same baby mother. And I believe it. I believe it based off of Jah Cure's behavior and based off of Alkaline's behavior. You see, Alkaline baby mother is nothing but a dirty girl. You see, my answer, people. Nothing but a dirty girl, but we're gonna get into that later. But first, let us deal with Jada Kingdom.
Don't worry about me. I'm alright. Over here, so minding my business. Yay! Round of applause!
Some cokehead behavior, you know. Some Coca-Cola behavior, me think Jada go on with, you know. Why she doing that with her nose, you know? Why she got all of these Sprite bottles around her? People, homegirl is crying out for help, man. You know, people, homegirl is sick, man. Yeah, Jada Kingdom looks good. But she don't look good. You know, this is sick looking good. People, Jada Kingdom don't go to the gym. She don't go to choreography class. So how is she losing so much weight? I'll tell you, because she's stressed. And she's starving. She don't have no money. You see what I'm saying? This is not a healthy look, people. I guarantee you, in the next 6 months, Jada Kingdom not have no body or rascal. Jada Kingdom gonna be like, gonna have a flat body like Shensia before the surgery. You feel what I'm saying? She's losing a lot of weight real fast, people. She's crying out for help. And obviously, she's on some type of drugs. Yes, because she have bipolar, so I'm assuming she's on some type of drugs to alleviate the stress. You feel what I'm saying? Now, some people might say a cocaine she dip on. I'm not saying that. Some people might say she's popping ecstasy and drinking lean. I'm not saying that. Some people might say she's on MDMA. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that she looks sick and she needs help. People, I can't show you her performance she did in Connecticut the other day, but let me tell you, it was a flop performance. You see what I'm saying? It flop. She used a lot of shock factor to go viral and to hide the fact that she didn't prepare for this show whatsoever. The dancing she was doing, it looked like some white girl dance. It looked like you ever see a cokehead white girl wind up herself? I saw Jada did a wind up herself like some cokehead white girl, you know. Nothing sexy about the wine. It was just spinning like a washing machine. Real motherfucking fast. You feel what I'm saying? And then she's copying Shensia with the shock factor because, you know, she can't perform. And, you know, Ludi girl is working on her performance. And she likes to, you know, make the crowd get interactive with her and feel up her body. So that's all Jada was doing, man. People was just touching her ass and looking at her ass shake like a cokehead white girl. You feel me? To be honest with you, people, that was a flop performance. Not only is she flopping her performances, people, she's wearing the same fucking clothes, you know. She had on the same boots and the same fishneck type outfit, you know. You can see the bikini bottom, the bikini top. People, nobody now run pan Jada, not even a man now buy no clothes for go up on stage. You know, in a dancer, you can't rewear the same clothes 2 times. You know what I mean? You can't go two dance in a row and wear the same clothes two times. I mean, you can get away wearing the same pants, you know, and a different shoes, but not the same shirt. You feel what I'm saying? And this is definitely a definite in dancer. You can't rewear the same outfit two times. You know, the people that are gonna look on you away. That's just favorite culture, people. Putting in the comment section. What did you think about Jada Kingdom's performance? Don't be distracted by the shock and awe with her ass shaking and all of these things, you know. Putting in the comment section about Jada telling us to mind our business, because people, I'm gonna be honest with you. If Jada Kingdom was telling to me to mind my business, listen, Jada Kingdom, I don't give a fuck about you in the umbre or umbra, whatever you want to call yourself, brah. I don't give a fuck about you. But if I did, I would find that very disrespectful. Who the hell is paying you money? Now you're thinking fans them. Are your fans them blood clot worry about you, not King mix up? Are your fans them hit me in my DM and say, King, look pan this, me hear rumors about Jada Kingdom in a hospital, so me do a review. Hoping that someone from your management team can dispel the rumors, but look like management now fuck with you because you're lazy and you're bad man and you have a bad attitude. You see what I'm saying? And it shows, you know, you have a stink attitude. And that's why you're not reaching far in your career. Nobody don't give a fuck about talents in that industry. Let me tell you that, people. You see, when you're talented, you're hard to work with. And this is why you see a lot of record labels putting money into some people who don't have no rascal talent. Because when they do that, the people who's talentless depends on the record label, you know. They're willing to work more and all of these things. You got these hot-headed like Jada Kingdom. They don't want to go in and do no work. And we can talk about many stars, like, for example, DMX. People never really like work with DMX because when on the movie set, because I'm always in I'm trailer, I play a game and thing. And you know the show can't start without the star. So I'm just giving that update. Jada Kingdom is crying out for help. She responded to us, tell her to mind our business and ting. Now, the part of the review not always a weird part, you know? The nasty part, people. Like I said, I can't verify this because I get thousands of DMs a day. But I believe that Jah Cure Breed Alkaline's baby mother, and I say that's Alkaline's baby mother because she was pregnant with Alkaline's baby, but this was in the early stage of his career when he was singing about Batty Wash. And yeah, you know, girl didn't know Alkaline was gonna blow up and be rich, so she that shit well, you know. That's why she always a throw a word pan Alkaline, or you did beg me to go up on stage and go wild when you, if you know what I'm saying, that's she, people. And the reason why I believe that Jah Cure breed her is because, let's be honest, Jah Cure is only fucking prostitutes, you know what I mean? And this girl is nothing but a prostitute. She sell pussy. I remember she said she and Jada Kingdom used to sell pussy at 13 years old, allegedly. You feel what I'm saying, on Jada's part. But this hoe right here is known for selling fuck. You feel me? And Jah Cure is known for buying fucked from dirty bitches that like to lick ass and all of these things. So I'm pretty sure she'd wipe out Alkaline Batty already. You see me? I say them gal are nasty, a rascal. You see me? Them ya gal are nasty, a rascal. I think a she freak out Alkaline, you know. Wipe out him Batty with her tongue and all of these things. Me didn't even know so them thing you could have go on a rascal, but based off of the voice notes we heard from Jah Cure, him like them thing them. You see me, I said Jah Cure like Brata and Batty Wash and all of these things, and you know Alkaline baby mother is the perfect dirt bag to do these types of things for a little bit of change. But people, I will get more information on this. If you don't know anything about it, put in the comment section. But just giving you the update on Jada Kingdom and our mad self and Alkaline, you know, baby mother breeding for Jah Cure, you know. Don't forget to hit them like buttons, man. We trying to get 1,000 likes, man. You feel what I'm saying? Make the place look pretty, and it also makes the page reach a broader audience, and they don't know the things said. Liking what my commentary and thing I upload. So don't forget that and hit the subscribe button and press all. See me, I say, I run you say the latest and dancehall, news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.